Welcome back, dear students, to my tutorial class. Well, this chapter 7 HTML, we have already finished this chapter in the classroom, that is before the lockdown. We have already finished it, but I have just decided to make this video lesson for your better understanding. Why? Because I wanted to start from the beginning for this HTML chapter, so that when we start chapter 8, that is more on HTMLs, you need to understand the chapter 7. Okay, when you understand chapter 7, then only you will be able to cope up with the chapter 8. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm just why I'm uploading the videos on chapter 7. Okay, so I request you to watch the video of this chapter 7. Okay, this is the first video lesson of HTML. I'm going to upload more videos on this HTML chapters. Okay, so I request you to watch till the end. All right, so today we are going to learn about this some points. The first point that we are going to learn is how to write HTML text and commands. Okay, then we will study about the software for editing HTML. Okay, there are different softwares for editing HTML. Then we are going to learn structure of a web page. Then next is creating an HTML document, then viewing an HTML document. So these 5 points, I will be explaining these 5 points. Okay, the first point, before the first point, I just want to give you a short introduction of HTML. What is HTML? HTML means hypertext markup language, which is used for developing, organizing, formatting and linking pages of text, graphics and other informations. Okay, hypertext means text including graphics, audio, video and animations. Okay, stored in electronic form which has cross links between pages. Got? Markup language means that the HTML provides tags that are mostly paired and used to mark the text or other elements to apply effect on it. Okay, so in simple term, what we understand, HTML is a hypertext markup language used to create web pages. Okay, using different HTML tags. Okay, we need to write HTML commands using different HTML tags in order to create a web page. So after we create a web page, we can publish them on the internet. Okay, so in simple terms, this HTML is a basic foundation for writing HTML commands. Okay, so I hope you understand the introduction. So let's go to the next part, that is how to write text and commands. We are freedom to write HTML text in any software, in any word processing program. Okay, we are freedom to write, we are freedom to use. But here one example we can see here, Windows Notepad and Magneto's Simple Text Editor. These are the two popular editors to create HTML pages. Okay, the first one, this one, Windows Notepad. For this Windows Notepad, we don't have to worry for this. Why? Because Windows Notepad is an inbuilt program. Okay, is an inbuilt program, so we don't need to install for this Notepad. Notepad is pre-installed, that is pre-installed in every computer, so we can use Notepad to write the HTML commands text. But for the other software, we need to install it. In case if we are planning to use the other software, we need to install it and we can use it. That is how we can do about software. Okay, the very important here is just listen here, you have to save the file with HTML or HTML extension. This is very important. Okay, when we are saving the file, we need to put HTML or HTML extension. if you save the file without HTML extension, what will happen? What is the text editor will save it with text extension. The text editor will save it with text extension, and the file cannot be opened with web browser. So what it means? It means that the text editor will save it with text extension, and it becomes a plain text document which cannot be opened in a web browser software. Okay, so for that, in order to open using web browser software, in order to make our file a web page file, we need to save using this extension. We need to put this extension, that is file name followed by the extension called .htm or .html. We need to put by ourselves. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, next is the software. So we are going to learn here so many software. There are 9 software here, given 9 software. We can use this 9 software to write HTML commands. We can use any of these softwares. Okay, but we are going to use the first software called Notepad. Why Notepad? Because this Notepad is no need to install. It is already installed in our computer, as I've said, already pre-installed in our computer, so we can use it Notepad. But if you prefer to use other software, you can use other software to write HTML commands or to learn HTMLs. You can use it, but for that you need to install this software in your computer. Then only you can write the HTML commands using this software. Okay, that is regarding the software. This is about software. Okay, next we can see the structure of a web page. The structure of a web page is, okay, we can just look here. The complete document is written between HTML and closing tag, that is HTML slash sign. Okay, this is slash sign and then HTML text. This is the complete document is written between HTML and slash HTML text. The HTML tag, you just look this part. The HTML tag, okay, the HTML tag is a start tag, is a start tag, whereas now this tag with this a slash sign HTML tag is ending tag. Okay, this is, we can call it as starting on tag and off tag, or what we can call opening tag or closing tag. We can call it opening or closing tag, on or off tag. This type of tag. Okay, now other main tags which are used in between these tags, other tags which are used in between these tags are head tag, body tag and title tag. Okay, all these tags we are going to learn. Now the basic structure of a web page, how it looks. The basic structure of a web page looks like this. HTML, first it comes HTML. Okay, this HTML can be written in small or in capital letter. Okay, always remember that it is not necessary that we need to write in capital or we need to write in small, uppercase or lowercase. That is, it's up to us. So first the HTML, then the head, followed by head, and then next is the title. This title is the title of the page, which will be displayed on the browser, on the title bar of the browser window. Okay, the title, and then this is head tag, that is heading text. We have 6 different levels of heading. Okay, so I am just applying the first level of headings. Then after that, closing tag head. This is closing tag head. Then comes body. Now this comes body. Now what is this body tag? The body tag is used to represent the body of the document. This body tag Okay, this body tag is used to represent the body of the document. All the informations will is written in the body tag. Okay, whatever the web page information that we have, it is everything is written under this body tag. Okay, after that the body tag is closed, the body tag is closed, and after that HTML tag it is closed, and then HTML tag is closed. Okay, so now this is what we can see here. This is the structure. This is the structure of a web page. In every web page the structure goes like this. A simple structure, I mean the structure of a web page goes like this in every page. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now creating and viewing an HTML document. Now, how to create and how to view an HTML document. For this, I wanted to give you a small demonstration of how to create and view the HTML document. Okay, so let's see the demonstration. So let me go with the one demonstration one here. So this is one demonstration page. Okay, I've just created a simple web page. Okay, this is a simple web page that I have created like this. Online registration form. See, online registration form, name, father's name, and WhatsApp number. These three informations that user have to fill up these three fields, and after that click here to submit. See, this click here to submit, this is the link that the user have to click here. Okay, let's try using one entering one field. Okay, say example okay, like this. Say example, we have entered the name, the father's name, and then the WhatsApp number. After finishing after entering this, I mean after entering these particulars, the details, the user need to click here, right? Click here to submit, right? Yes or no? Just click here. Now it is taken to the another page. The user is taken to the another page. The responded, the link, the page is giving the page says that thank you, submitted successful, right? So this is how a simple page is created and viewed. We can work out. Now this is a simple web page. Now this simple web page is done using HTML commands, using HTML text. Now to view this source code, we need to just right click and then view source. Can you see this view source? I'll just zoom and let you see. Yeah, view source, right? I'll just zoom this part, view source, right? I hope you can see. Yeah, view source. Now what you need to do here, just right click, as I said, right click and go to the view source, click view source, and then the view source will display here. So this closed. Okay, this is the source. This is the source, means this is the source code. Okay, so this is the source code of that page, so this is the one. So how we can do it, how we can save, and how we can work on this source code. Okay, I'll just explain you again here, another one. So this is done. Okay, all right. So see, I have just created like this, these two HTML files. Okay, just open it. This is the page, and then this one, it's one. This, it means these are the two pages here, two pages, right, created. Now right click this one and then open with Notepad, right? Right click, open with Notepad. Okay, right click, open with Notepad, open it. Now this is, as I said, this is our source. So this is the source code. How we can save it? Now just file and save as, and then let us try giving the file name, say example try. Okay, try. Okay, see, look here. Okay, I'll just zoom this part. Try. I have just given a file name try. After what? After writing the source code, I have just given here try. Then I just saved it. Saved. Okay, now I just minimize it. Now see, this try, this is the one. Okay, this try and admission form, this one, you just see the icon of this one. One is the one we can see with the E symbol, and then the another one just a text, just like a letter symbol only, of the icon symbol. I mean, this icon symbol tells us that, okay, this file, this one is not a web page file, but whereas the first one, this one is a web page file. This is the web page file. This is not the web page file. Why? Because we did not put .html. We did not put .html. That is why the file is a plain text file. Now when we try to open this try, see, when we try to open this file, it is just opening the source code only. The source code only. It is opening in the text editor program only, but it should be open in the web page, web browser. Yes or no? It should be open in web browser, but it is not opening in web browser file. Why? Because we made a mistake while we saved the file, while saving the file. So that is why while saving the file, .html, we should give .html is very important, and it's very important. That is why I told you in the beginning. So how we can fix this problem? So we can fix this problem, just open it like this and then just click file, save as. Okay, try, it's given here try, no? So but it should not be tried .html or htm. Just I'll just zoom. See this time. Now you see this time, see file name this time try.html. okay, I've just put here now this time .html. so now let's see, just click again, save, and then now again just minimize it. Let's check again. See this time, see the file is now, see, these are the two files, right? These are the two files, right? One is try with the plain text only, the symbol icon, and but this time you see try with the E symbol. We can see this one now, it's E symbol, right? I'll just zoom this part, E symbol. It means now this is internet file, a web page file. I mean web page file. And how we can find here also web page file, also the type of file. We can see the type of file here, see the type of file. I'll just zoom this part also, see this one, see the type of file. See, one is HTML document, this is also HTML file, and this is text document, and then this is also HTML file. This is why HTML document, the first one. This is why try HTML, because this file we did not put .html when we are saving the file, right? When we are saving the file, we did not put .html. That is why this is text document only. It is not web page file. But the second time when we saved, the second time we saved with .htm try, we have saved the file name try, then .html. So the type of file is, see this time, HTML file. So this is HTML file, right? So when saving the file, that we should remember. Now let's open it, this try, let's open it. It is opening in web page file now. This is the web page file. It is opened in web page file, right? Yes or no? So this is how we can do, we can save the file and we can view, we can open it. Now say example, I'll show you how to modify the code now, how to modify the source code. We have name, father's name, WhatsApp number only. Now say example, we wanted to put here mother's name also. Say example, name, father's name, mother's name, then WhatsApp number. We wanted to put like this. So how we can do it, that one? So simple, we can do it in this way. We can do it in this way. Just this try, we are working on this try. Okay, just okay, we'll just right click, then open it with the next this one. Yeah, this is our source code. Yes, right. So this is our source code. Here we want to put mother's name also. See this part. Okay, I'll just highlight this one. I hope you can see this one. Center tag, B tag, font size equal to 4, color red. I've given father's name in bold letter. Then next line, our next line comes input type equal to text, name equal to T2, that is text 2, size 60, then closing tag font, then closing tag B tag, closing tag B tag. This is the line of command. Okay, this is the line of command. And then the line of command that appears in the browser. So now we wanted to put, as I said, we wanted to put mother's name. Just what we need to do, just highlight this one, copy it this one, and then just move back to the P tag, just after the P tag. Okay, just here. Okay, that is here. This part, just paste it. Now just paste it, copy and paste it. This part, you copy and paste it, and then here father's name, no, but this time we will write here MOTH, yeah, mother's name, right? Mother's name. And after that, just click file, then save. No need to go save as this time. Okay, no need to go this save as, but we can click save. Simply we can click file, then save. Saved. Now it is saved. Just we can open our browser. Just open our browser, or wait, yeah, just minimize it. Okay, now just open it, double click it, and then see, this time mother's name appears. Right, got it? Mother's name, father's name, mother's name, WhatsApp number. Now this time, got it? This is how we can write the source code. We can modify the source code. Now say, I'll just give you one example here. This is online registration form. Now this online registration form, we want this text to move on the screen, just moving on the screen, scrolling, I mean, there's this text to scroll on the screen. So how we can do, fix that problem? Just we will check this code, the line of code. This is the line of code. That is, the line of code is how H1, I've taken H1 closing tag, font size, font color equal to blue. Okay, and then center online registration form, then closing tag center H1, then font. This is the line of command. Now we want this text online registration to move, to scroll on the screen. For that we need to write one more tag. That is, the tag is MARQUEE, Markup. Okay, Markup, and just go back, and this closing tag MARQUEE, Markup. We have modified the line of text with this one. Okay, this sorry, this one. We have modified the line of text with this text, with this tag MARQUEE, Markup. Okay, I'll just zoom this part, Markup, and then we have written this one. We have modified with this tag Markup, and here also Markup. Okay, now what we will do, file and save it, file and save it, and after that just open it and then see. Now what we can see this time, we can see our text online registration form is what, scrolling on the screen. Now it will keep on scrolling on the screen. That is because of the text. So in this way we can modify the tag, we can write the tag. Okay, so I hope you learned. So in my next video I'll be explaining you the types of tag, okay, different types of tag, HTML, what are the HTML tag, all the details. Okay, I'll be uploading more videos. So thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you so much, and stay home, stay safe.